Do you ever feel you're getting ripped off with the prices today with all the tariff hikes, stealth tax? It's getting worse for us hobbyists. I need a glue pot holder, and I was scrolling through Amazon and realised half of these are 3D printed. I don't own a 3D printer, I'm old school. So how can I go about making one? Turns out pretty damn easy really. Here's the glue pot holder I made myself in under 5 minutes. Now it's not going to win any awards, but it's practical, cheap, but most of all, does the job. Now viewers on the channel will know I've spilt my glue over my cutting mat more than once. And this prompted me to take action using balsa wood. It's cheap, easy to cut, and you won't get too upset if you damage it. So this is how I made mine. I start by getting a sheet of balsa and cut it to the size you want. Now you can buy these off Amazon, dirt cheap, or your local hobby store. Once you have the size, you need to trace the glue pot you're using onto the balsa. If you have 2 glue pots, just make your balsa wood slightly longer and do 2 either side. That's where I'm putting mine. I don't care if it's not straight, it doesn't matter, because I'm just going to cut this out, and it takes seconds to cut out because obviously the balsa is very soft. Once you're happy with the snug fit, trace the bit you cut out onto another sheet of balsa. I did this because my sheets are pretty thin. I'm using hot glue for speed, but you can use wood glue if you so wish. Doesn't matter. You'll notice I'm using 3 sheets of balsa. That's because these sheets were pretty thin. This was the first one I made, and I added some thin EVA foam to the bottom to stop it from sliding around. This bit is optional, I just had it on the shelf. So just glue that bad boy down, and that is your glue pot holder done and done. Now you could leave it at that and call it job done, or go that extra inch and paint it. I'm using some acrylic paint for mine. And there we have it, a glue pot holder that didn't cost you a kidney. You're welcome. This episode of Bite Size Builds was brought to you with the letters TBA. Please like and subscribe.